Welcome back to another FPS video tutorial. This time we will show you how you can take advantage of our special deposit bonus campaign. We know that it is difficult for new traders to build up a large capital to invest. That is why we created this special bonus to help you increase your earnings by depositing less. When you log into the FPS Investment platform, you can click on the Bonus side menu. On this page, you will find all the bonuses that are currently available to you. The bonuses available may vary depending on the current campaigns, but they all work the same way and have the same rules. It is important to make it clear that all bonuses are released proportionally to your deposits. So, for example, if you activate the $50 bonus, to take full advantage of it, you will need to deposit $50. In total, you will then have $100 free to use in your account. However, if you activate the $50 bonus but deposit only $40, in the end you will only have $80 free to trade. That is why the bonus is proportional to your deposits. So it is very important that you make a deposit to be able to take advantage of the bonus campaigns. To do this, click on Funds in the side menu and then on Deposits. Select the available deposit method and wait, as the amount will arrive in your account shortly. If you have any further questions about how to make your deposit, watch our video that explains in detail how you can do this. Another important point is about withdrawing your bonus. From the moment you activate the bonus, it will be available in your trading account and will serve as equity. However, in order to release this bonus and withdraw it, you will need to reach the target number of traded lots. Each campaign has a different target, so pay attention. This number of lots is calculated automatically by the system and updated hourly. When you reach your target, you will be able to see on the panel that the bonus is available for withdrawal. Also pay attention to the active time. This is the time that you will have the bonus available in your account and the deadline to reach the traded lots target after activating your bonus. Now that you have chosen your bonus and made your deposit, let's choose which trading account you will use your bonus on. If you don't have an account created, no problem, just click on Create Account for the program, and then Create New Account. In the Live section, choose the type of account you want to open. We have two options. 1. The Standard Trading Account. 2. The Trader Pro Trading Account. The standard account is for those who want to take less risk, so the leverage is lower. The Trader Pro account is for those who want to leverage their capital more and be able to trade more lots at a time. Select your preferred account and confirm. Now we need to transfer your funds to your trading account. Click on Deposit. Select the amount you want to transfer from your main wallet, and then confirm it. Done. Now you can select the bonus you want. This time I'm going to choose the $15 bonus. I just need to tell which account I want it to be activated for. And done. Now on the My Bonuses page you can find all the bonuses that are active and track the target of lots traded in each of them. This progress bar is updated every hour, but this bonus has already been credited to my account. Let's check it out. To do this, go to the CTrader side menu. Right here at the top, we have access to all the platforms available to access our trading account. I'm going to choose the web platform this time. After logging into your account, you will be able to see that the bonus is already available. In addition, it is already included in my equity and is ready to be used in my trades. Remember that for the bonus to be released and transformed into a balance for your account, you need to reach the target number of traded lots. After that, you can withdraw it normally. As I said, this is an excellent opportunity for new traders who want to leverage their capital and earn rewards on their trades. Take advantage and keep an eye out for the special bonuses that we frequently launch on our platform.